Good morning students, welcome to the St. Thomas School. Today we are going to learn about Standard 3 EVS subject. Today we are going to continue with the chapter number 6, Foods We Eat. Let us know what people like to eat. You can see students, this girl's name is Hansi. Hansi says that I live in Valsad, my mother and I both love to eat umbadium. Whenever we feel like eating it, we go to our farmhouse and eat umbadium. You can see here students, this is umbadium, like undiu. Now the next, she is Juni. Juni says that I live in Kashmir. I like fish cooked in mustard oil. Once we had gone to Goa, we ate fish there but it tastes very different. My mother said that it was sea fish cooked in coconut oil. It had to be different. In Goa, fish cooked in coconut oil, and in Kashmir, fish cooked in mustard oil. Now the next. You can see your students. This boy is Thomas. Thomas says that I live in Kerala. I really like to eat two items. Both grows in our courtyard. Courtyard means open space which in our house or building. One grows on a tall tree and the other underground. It is great to eat boiled tapioca with any curry made using coconut. It tastes very good. You can see here students, this is tapioca. It's like sweet potato. Now moving further. What are the reasons that decide what we eat? Put a right mark on them. Add to the list. Think and write. What is easily available? What is easily available that decide what we eat? It is the factor that what we eat. What can we buy? This is also decide what we eat. Our customs and traditional like and dislike, the freshness of food decide what we eat. Okay? Now remember and write. Name of some things are given below. Put a right on the things that can be eaten. If you are not sure about anything, you may ask your teacher. First one is banana flower. Now we can see here students, it is banana flower. Banana flower is packed with minerals such as phosphorus, calcium, potassium, iron. So we can eat this. It is very healthy food for us. Now the next, drumsticks flower. You can see here students, this is drumstick flowers. These all are drumsticks flowers. Drumsticks flowers are edible. When we cook it, it tastes like mushrooms. So we can eat this. So here I am going to put a right mark. You can see. Now the next, mushroom. You can see here students, this is mushroom. We can eat this. So put a right mark there. Now the next, lotus stem. You can see here student, this is lotus stem. Lotus stem can be eaten raw in the form of salad. Okay, so put right mark there. Next, red ant. This is red ant. We can't eat this, so I am not going to put any mark here. Now the next, leftover chapati. We always have to eat fresh food, so I am not going to put any mark here. Now camel's milk. Camel's milk is healthy for us, so we can eat this. So put a right mark here. Now other you can do by yourself as a homework. Okay. Now the next. Moving further. You know students, the list of food items that come from animals and plants. Food from plants. Vegetable, rice, sugar. We make sugar from sugar cane. So sugar cane we get from plants. Okay. So it comes from plant. Oil, pulses. You can see here students, these all are the pulses. Green gram, red lentil, green peas, white peas. Okay. Fruits also we get from plants. Potato, bread. Bread we made from wheat, and wheat we get from plants. So bread comes from plants. Okay. Food from animals. Milk, eggs, meat, fish. Okay. Now types of food. Rice and bread contains carbohydrates which gives us energy. Oilseeds, milk and curd contains fat. Pulses, meat contains protein to grow the body. Vegetables and fruits contain vitamins and minerals which help us to fight against disease like fever, cold. Okay. A balanced diet means containing all kind of foods in a required proportion like carbohydrates, fat, mineral, proteins, vitamins. Okay. These all are minerals need our body. Okay. Milk is known as wholesome food. We take the food in both the ways. Raw food that is not cooked and cooked food that is cooked before eating. Now we take the foods as raw. Which food we can eat raw? Like carrot, tomato, sweet potato, cucumber, cauliflower, etc. Now cooked food. Rice, pulses, vegetables. The next. Students, eating habits are different from person to person. Eating habits depend on the place they live and age. Some people are vegetarian and some are non-vegetarian. A very young child or baby like Munni drink mother milk. Old and light work people consume light food. The people who work hard should eat more food. Okay students? Now let's see the additional exercise of this chapter. Mami in Vipul's family is not able to eat. First option is dal, chapati, Munni in Vipul's family is not able to eat A. Dal, B. Chapati, C. Bhutta and D. All of these. So what will be the answer students? All of these. We all know that Munni is a very young child. Okay. Now the second. When Vipul's Dadi was the same age as Vipul is now, she could A. Eat chapatis, B. Go to school like Vipul, C. Run quickly uphill and D. All of these. So what will be the correct answer students? It's a C. Run quickly uphill. Now the next. In Goa, Juni ate fish cooked in coconut oil. Right? Now the next. This is made from rice. A. Halwa, B. Pulao, C. Chapati and D. All of these. What will be the answer students? D. B. Pulao. Pulao is made from rice. Now the next. Fill in the blanks. Thomas eats tapioca which grows dash. What will be the answer students? Underground. Thomas ate chapatis which grows underground. Now the next. Hansi lives in dash. Hansi lives in Valsad. Thomas eats curry made using dash. Thomas eats curry made using coconut. Chapatis can be made out of dash or dash. Chapatis can be made out of wheat or bajra. Munni started crying because she was hungry. Now the next. At home, Juni eats fish cooked in days. Juni eats fish cooked in mustard oil. Now the match the following. Dosa. What will be the correct answer, students? Wheat chapati soaked in this Munni's food, made from rice or eaten by Vipul. So what will be the answer, students? Answer is made from rice. Now the next. Dal. We eat chapati soaked in this. Okay, we eat chapati soaked in dal. Bhutta. Eaten by Vipul. And milk, Munni's food. Okay, so here our chapter and video ends. Okay, so you have to write this exercise in your fair book as a homework. Okay students, thank you.